Hi there traders and welcome to the daily recap show for today's European session, which was Monday the 28th of November. We will be making this a subscription based service in the new year, but you can still apply for this and still register this for free at the moment and get these reports free by clicking on the link below in a YouTube channel. You will also get special discounted rates for the launch price of when we go live with the subscription-based service in the new year. So if you're finding these reports useful, please come join the Keyzone service. It is, as I say, it's completely free at the moment. You'll get these reports before the market opens, you get these recaps, and you'll get special discounted prices for when we go to a subscription-based model. So moving on to today's report, these were the FTSE zones that we had. We said that if we held below 74.61 to 74.68, then we can get sustained and then get a sustained break below 74.27 to 74.35, then we could see moves lower. Support came in at 74.32 to 52. If we gained acceptance above 74.61.68, then we have resistance at 74.88 to 74.98. So let's go and have a look at the FTSE today. Okay, so you can see we've got this really strong push down here. We've got the false break pattern. We've got that liquidity grab from that support at 74.32 to 52, and then that was the push higher. Notice as we came back, we actually held that on the retest as well. So that was the that was a clue that we was going to push higher. We came up into that 74.61.68, so any longs from here I would have been looking to manage into that. You can see we did hold it as minor resistance here. Not really anything that I was looking to trade from today. However, you have got a bit of a reversal pattern there and there, although no real liquidity grabs to take advantage of. When we did get the push up through, we got the pullback, we got a continuation pattern, and that moved us up into the 74.88 to 74.98 zone, and as you can see, that did hold as resistance, as we said it would do in the report today. So, again, not really anything clear there in terms of reversals from my trading plan, but if you had managed to get short from there, that would have been a nice trade. So that's the FTSE. The zones worked really well on the FTSE. The analysis was really good, and we a couple of good opportunities there. Now let's go and take a look at the DAX. So these were the zones of reference on the DAX. We said if we held below 14.485 to 14.505 and then get a sustained break below 14.440 to 14.455, then today we can see moves lower with support coming in at 14.325 to 14.345. So let's go and have a look at the DAX today. Okay, so here's the action on DAX. We pushed higher. Notice we couldn't get that acceptance above the 14.485 to 14.505 zone, which we said, and then we got this push down. We said if we got sustained breaks below 14.440 to 14.455, then we could see moves lower. We got the push down, pull back, continuation, sustained break below, and that ended up pushing lower as well. We never got any further real sort of push down into that 325 to 345 zone. We have seen that over in the US session, but didn't happen in the US session. So really, for me, that was the trade of the day on the DAX. We did get another continuation pattern here, which was also valid, having broken down. So those were the good opportunities there on the DAX. So DAX, you can see the zones have worked really well on both the FTSE and the DAX today, offering some opportunities. Last week was a very tricky time to trade. We spoke about this often with the fact that there being thin volume on the back of the Thanksgiving holiday in the US. Today, market's back much more back to normal and behaving much more as we predicted, and also offering the opportunities to take advantage of that as well. So I hope you're finding these reports useful. Please let me know how you're getting on. As I say, it's still free to come and sign up to the service at the moment. The link is in the box on our YouTube channel. I hope you had a great day. I hope you had a great weekend, and I'll speak to you soon. Cheers.